Yes. Yes, Saturday for me. Here. We can put this sparkly teardrop for make the anklet here. I'm going to put it here. Anklet. One moon, one star. Here. Anklet, I normally cut it 9 inch. Here. Here we cut it 9 inch. Here. And we put the teardrop at here. So teardrop on the chain. Then how to attach? Teardrop or necklace, both okay. Attach the wire. Attach the beads. Here. This is a glass beads, and we can put here this way. So this one, the chain, we can make the anklet here. Twist. And use your round plier, fold. Make it fold like here. So we will make all the piece continue. Here. Very easy, right? Cross and twist here, the fold and the wrapper. So here. And again. And the twist. Fold. Here. Then let's just attach it one by one. Here we can hang the one that's which we make the loop attach. Here, tight, then wrapper, 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 cut, cut. So here. Then this is also the same that we touch, hang on, tight, wrapper, 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 cut, and the cut. Here. Attach. Wrapper, wrapper. Cut. Cut. Here. And another one. Here. Here. attach, and the wrapper. Here. So this is the way that's how to make a nice anklet. Okay, I prefer to put one more piece here. Before we go to see the picture, this is the design from Southern Crab. You use the cube beads and make the zigzag at the base. Wow, it's nice. I love these beads. These beads are so nice. Wow, you see the color. Why you take the picture and it looks like the gold chain is with shining. It's on the light, maybe. Very beautiful. Yeah. See this. Here. So nice. This set is perfect. So bracelet and necklace set. Beautiful. Nice work. Yeah. Loisrin is fly. You are fly. Yeah, you and Loisrin, you are fly. Here. This. Okay, yeah, it's on the light, so it's so beautiful. Okay, so I put one more, so need one more shining. Okay, let's do it one more shining. Here. Fold it. Here. Wrapper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Did the one bracelet in gold and the other in silver to see which looked better? It's very nice. So here the way that's to make the anklet. This one, the set that's with the clasper and the extender chain and a job. Yeah, if someone wanted, the price is $5 a pack. $5 a pack with 5 piece means $1 one piece, $1 one set. Yeah. This. And for some business owner, with this job, the price is higher than with a round shape or heart shape or oval shape. This will be higher. But in my life streaming, it sells the same price. Here. This $1 one piece. Here. This. Hi, Cos9. Happy to see you. Hang on. Close. Okay, anklet finish. So it's a finished anklet with the moon, star, and the shining teardrop. Yeah, it's done here. How long did you cut your tree? I cut it 9 inch. Yeah, 9 inch. You can, if you you make it for yourself, you just cut it measure. Yeah, I here cut it 9 inch. 9 inch is 22 or 23 centimeter here for anklet. Yeah, for anklet. Okay, here. Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's cute and nice. My fat foot 我的胖脚